Race to vaccinate continues across the globe. Here in Minnesota, a move in the right direction with first responders rolling up their sleeves today for the Moderna vaccine.
Governor Tim Walz and health leaders stood by to watch the process in action. Our Barrett Leone joins us live in the studio with more on the tour and what could be in store for the state in COVID immunizations moving forward. Barrett.
Tom, Caitlin, as you said, we are moving forward in the right direction, but it's still going to be a while before Minnesotans get vaccinated.
Another step forward.
Easy peasy.
Towards normalcy.
I'm relieved.
A breath of relief for these first responders after 9 months of unknown.
So that sense of now you can get this, we'll get you through, and then you can respond and do what you need to do.
But for the general public, that sense of uncertainty is still being felt.
We've got a ways to go here, but this truly is the end game.
One question still lingering.
It's going to take a little bit of patience, but I think your sense of urgency is healthy and right.
When can I get vaccinated?
Probably late spring, early summer, before the general public would be able to just go to the corner drugstore and be vaccinated.
Without the immediate supply.
There was just, they set the bar very high and overpromised, and it was more complex than that, and they set the bar really high for Americans who had every reason to expect they were going to get the 20 million out they promised. They told us we were going to get, we would be at 600,000 now, not 300,000.
It's tough to say.
The thought of a faster pace of getting vaccine into Minnesota would be wonderful. It's great that we've got so many people eager to get vaccinated.
If we have more, and if more is pushed down to us, we'll continue to push those out.
Health leaders urging a repetitive plea. Patience.
That sense of normalcy is returning, but there's a lot to be done. Today is a reason to get very excited. I just will continue to push as hard as we can to safely, efficiently get these vaccines out to folks.
Health leaders say the first tier of 1A vaccinations should be completed by the end of this week, with the entire phase 1A expected to be vaccinated by the end of the month. Right now, the health department does have a website breaking down vaccine allocations throughout the state, but there should be an update with more interactive sites up and running early next week. Reporting live in the studio, Barrett Leone, KTTC News.